Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 6 in Law of Banking and Financial Institutions. This is Professor Dunaway. Hope you're all having a great weekend. I am posting on Saturday again, so it's the 8th. So just a reminder that your third assignment is due tomorrow, the 9th. And then just looking ahead, you have 2 more assignments after that because there's 5 assignments total. So then your fourth assignment is due in 2 weeks from tomorrow, so the 23rd. And then your fifth assignment, your fifth and final assignment would be due a week after that, so the 30th. And that takes us to the end of the course. All right, so last week, week 5, and just so I graded all the assignments and posted what had been turned in. Overall, everyone did an excellent job. So, I was very happy with the answers. I think some of you, I think when there's a paper that's due for a class, um, it's a bit different than when there's like short answers, because short answers, you don't have a lot of time to, or when you're answering, it's not like you're writing a whole paper on a subject. You're basically having to get a lot in. So if something's missed, I guess it's more glaring. So some of you may have lost a few points and are not used to that maybe, but I think for these types of assignments, it's probably more common to miss a few. And again, nobody missed that many, so everyone still did a fantastic job. I was very pleased with everybody's responses, so thank you. I would say just be sure that you are using citations in your answers. So make sure you're doing that, and that's it. So moving ahead. So last week I say moving ahead, then I say last week. But looking back to last week, week 5, you learned about other bank charters, savings associations, industrial banks, and non-bank banks and credit unions. So if we look at the learning outcomes for last week, you should now know the role, powers, and history of savings associations. Same with industrial banks and non-bank banks, and then also the same with credit unions. So hopefully you feel that you have a good handle on that. There were 3 videos that we wanted you to take a look at, and then the reading. So let me scroll down. So the reading for week 5, there was a banking law section, GAO report, and then we wanted you to take a look at the NCUA website history, and then, oh my gosh, my screen keeps jumping. And then comparing credit unions. So hopefully you were able to take a look at those, and then again, the 3 lectures. All right, so this week, week 6. So you'll see that week 6 and 7 are major bank regulations, part 1 and 2. You'll also notice there are no new readings for either week. It's just the lecture. So each one has 1 lecture. So I'm going to click into the learning outcomes for week 6. So basically, gain a general understanding of principal lending and consumer protection laws and regulations. So in the lecture, Professor DeLune will be going over some of the major bank regs that we want you to know about and learn about. Obviously, if on your own you want to go do some more reading on each of them, that would be great, but not necessary. So that'll be for this week. And then again, next week will be part 2 of this. So, and again, for both weeks, no new reading, just a video for each week. And I don't know why nothing's coming up. All right, so this is a short and sweet video, mainly because there's not, with week 6 and 7 kind of being just the video, no new reading, discussion of bank regs. So for this week, you want to post in the discussion forum. You want to watch the video. Again, no new reading. Optional office hours with me on Tuesday of this week, 6:00 p.m. Pacific time. And then, as I already mentioned, your third assignment is due tomorrow, June 9th. And then your fourth assignment will be due at the end of week 7, so in 2 weeks, which will be June 23rd. So I think everyone's doing great. I haven't had a lot of questions, so it seems like everybody's just plugging along. But if you do have any, feel free to email me. Again, if you need an extension for tomorrow, you must let me know by today or today. If you need an extension for the next assignment, you must let me know by the Saturday before the assignment is due. If you do contact me on Sunday or after, you will still receive a late penalty, but we can lock it in for a bit of time. So you should still contact me, but there'll still be a penalty. All right, I hope you all have a great week, and I will be speaking to you, if not sooner, next weekend. Thanks, everybody.